Hey, welcome back. So, as part of this session, let us see the two most important examples that we are going to study here. So, the first one is and the second one is going to be these traits. This is applicable on iOS only. If you go deep dive into this particular one, this will be applicable for iOS only, and it's going to be on an accessibility traits. It currently supports on a button, link, header, search field, image, selected play sound, static text, summary, all those things. If you look at this UI kit catalog application on the Xcode, basically, we notice that everything itself is a static text. Okay, everything itself is a static text. So let's come back to the VS Code and let us create a new test for us. So let me copy it. Let me comment it. Let me create a new program here and I'm naming it as identify using using traits and methods. Okay, perfectly all right. So I don't want to use this chunk. I have just deleted that. As in when I have written my test name, my copilot itself is suggesting me that element by.traits button. So just press a tab operation on it. So here I don't want to go with this button. So this name is gonna be my static text as per my Xcode. So I just copied it and I just updated this particular one. So what I am asking is identify all the static texts. Okay. Among all the static text, I have used a end keyword. That should be a static test and it should have a label of an alerts view on which I want to perform a tap operation. Okay, on which I want to perform a tap operation. That's what I just want to do it. Okay, that's what I just want to do it. Await element by traits of static text. Along with that, I just want to perform a label alerts view for which I want to perform a tap operation. Okay, so I was just adding a simple expect on top of it. So which my copilot has prompted me, I simply accepted it. I haven't written my code. So guys, if you observe with this GitHub copilot, most of the cases, I was just using a tab operation and I'm generating my code. Anyways, let me try to pull up my terminal and let me try to run this code once and let us see how this is gonna work out. Okay, let us see how this is gonna work out. It should click on an alerts view and then it should check the visibility. Perfectly all right. My script execution got a successful. This way I can use these traits and also I can use this particular end. So end precisely we are gonna use in continuation with that particular one. Check this one as well. If an element is matching this one too, then only perform this particular operation. So this is the way how exactly we can deal with this concepts of locators. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session with the next example. Thank you.